Good morning, investors. I'm Stuart Cruz, and welcome to Cruz Asset Management's Momentum Wednesday. We're going to be talking about some, not really a momentum stock, but a momentum security, because today is the first day that Bitcoin made it over 20,000. And right now, I'm just going to jump to this. Right now, I have a chart by my friends at White Charts up here. And as you can see, this chart says, hey, it doesn't quite make 20,000, but I'm going to go to a live version of the Bitcoin, of CoinDesk's price, and Bitcoin's at 20,765. So this is an intraday price. It hasn't closed at above 20,000 yet, but looking pretty good. We have some momentum, and then with some of this notoriety or some of this news stories, we might get some more buying a little bit later today. So that actually might drive the price up a little bit further. But we just hit a monumentous level of 20,000. But we're really talking about momentum and how does that affect Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So let's go back to our friends at White Charts, and we're going to look at Bitcoin price. And as we noted before and in past, momentum tends to work over a 3 to 12 month period. So let's look at those periods, 3, 6, 12 months, and how Bitcoin has done. So we're going to switch. We're at 19,000 as the close. We're going to go to a percentage change year to date. So over 1 year, Bitcoin is up 173%. It's 6 months out, up 100%, 3 months, 76%, and even 1 month up 20%. So the momentum is well on the side of Bitcoin, although I might point out that right here, we had a high. We did just break through. Let's go right here. So tomorrow, this is going to look better. But this was a high, a lower high, a lower high, higher high, and now it looks like if we close above this high, we will again confirm this upward trend. But right now, we're in a kind of a lower highs and lower lows trend. But if we do break above 20,000, that could break that trend here. So looking at this particular crypto in the 1 month, let's look at 3 months. Still looks pretty solid. Look at that upward trajectory. And if we add some of the other cryptos on here, we've got Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Ethereum, all with very, very similar charts, with Bitcoin Cash at the bottom. Ethereum kind of bringing up in third place, but it has had a spectacular year. If we look at 6 months, Ethereum is up 148%, and over the last 12 months, a whopping 311%. But all of these particular cryptos, and probably most of the cryptos you look at, have momentum on their side. As you can see, just looking at the charts, they're highly correlated to each other. And so they're all going to move. If one crypto is moving, they're all probably going to move in the upward trajectory. Again, in spite of Ethereum outperforming over the last year, I would tend to stick towards Bitcoin because it has the most utilitarian value right now. It is accepted as a currency in a lot of places. And at the end of the day, that's ultimately, some security is going to have value, not just perceived value. At some point, that value is going to have to come to roost where it has either a value of storage of currency and of wealth, or a ability to use it in other places where you can actually buy things with Bitcoin. And so personally, I would stick more with the Bitcoin. If you want to be more speculative, go down the list, but I wouldn't go further down than 3, 4 of these most popular cryptocurrencies. Okay, so this is Stuart Cruz and Cruz Asset Management on Momentum Wednesday, helping you get over that midweek hump of Wednesday and trying to help you and our clients to live your life with the odds in your favor.